Imagine earning money while you sleep, just by owning property, even if you have $0 to start. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of real estate investing and uncovering how to build passive income through property without needing a hefty down payment. This isn't some magic trick. It's about smart, creative strategies. We'll explore how to leverage other people's money, collaborate with partners, and even tap into innovative financing like subject to deals. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to potentially own income-generating real estate with no upfront capital. Step 1. Embrace leverage. This means using borrowed money, like mortgages, to control a larger asset. The key here is finding properties where the potential rental income significantly outweighs your mortgage payments and other expenses. You're using the bank's money to make money. Step 2. Partner up. Real estate investing doesn't have to be a solo mission. Find partners who bring capital or expertise to the table. You can offer your time, your negotiation skills, or your property management abilities in exchange for a stake in the deal. It's about pooling resources and sharing the rewards and the risk. Step 3. Explore subject to deals. This is where things get really creative. In a subject to transaction, you take over ownership of a property, including its existing mortgage, without formally refinancing it. The seller's mortgage stays in place, and you make the payments. This can eliminate the need for traditional financing and a down payment, allowing you to acquire cash-flowing properties with significant cost savings. Step 4. Focus on cash flow. The goal is passive income, right? So, after covering your mortgage, taxes, insurance, and any necessary repairs or vacancy costs, you want a positive cash flow each month. This is the money that lands in your pocket, passively. It takes research, effort, and building good relationships, but making passive income through investing in a house with no money is absolutely achievable. Start learning, start networking, and start taking calculated action. The path to financial freedom through real estate awaits.